Take a deep breath. Slowly. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have all the answers. You are doing your best, and that is enough. Let go of today's worries. Let them fade like the rain. Feel your breath. Feel this moment. You are safe. You are not alone. You are loved. It's okay to rest. It's okay to just be. You are growing even when you don't see it. Every breath you take is a reminder that you are still here, that you matter. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are healing. You are learning. You are enough. Let your soul be quiet. Let the world fall away. Just for now, be still. Breathe and be.